So we're going to look at Chapter 8 a little bit, and this is 8.2. We're going to estimate how big a sample we need to estimate a population mean. So if we have some confidence interval, x bar, the sample mean, plus or minus how many standard deviations times the standard deviation of the population over the square root of the sample size, we have a margin of error here. So we start with this, and we're going to calculate a sample size if we're willing to accept a certain margin of error. So here's the formula we use. And the E on the bottom is the error we're willing to accept. We already explained V sub alpha over 2 and sigma. So if we're willing to accept a margin of error of 20 on the SAT, meaning plus or minus 20 points, so the scores are, say, 400, 500, 600, so that's what we're talking about, 20 points there. So here's the example. That's 20 points to either side of 500. So this is the interval that would be okay with us to get. We say if we predict it's going to be 500 on average, plus or minus 20. We're going to plug in our numbers. And you should pause it here and take a look and see if you get the same answer. So then should be 96.04, and we round up always. It's 96, you wouldn't quite get a margin of error of 20. It would be smaller than that. Or, sorry, it would be larger than. You'd have a larger margin of error then. So again, this is more knowing the equation and understanding it, and be able to plug in and get it correctly. So there's our important terms, and that's the video.